Hi friends, let's solve this interesting question. Bring all the denominator power to numerator. In doing so, the exponential power comes in negative. Simplifying this, it becomes 2x square minus 11x equal to 64 raised to the power minus 5. Now write 64 as 2 raised to the power 6 minus 5. This is in the form of a raised to the power m into n. So this will be a m into n. We'll get 2 raised to the power minus 30 and here 2 raised to the power x square minus 11x. If we have same base, that is of 2, we can equate their exponential power. X square minus 11x equal to minus 30. Bring everything to one side, so x square minus 11x plus 30 equal to 0. To find roots of x, let's say x1 and x2, their sum will be equal to 11 and their multiplication will be equal to 30. If we do prime factorization of 30, it will result in 2, 3 and 5. To get the sum of both root as 11, we take first root as 6 and second as 5. We get two values of x, that is 5 and 6, which is the final solution. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel.